Hi everyone! For those of you I haven't met, my name is Emily and I've had the privilege of being your pastry chef this past year. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy and know we are still here for you. Since we have a bit of extra time at home now, I want to share an easy, healthy, homemade banana muffin recipe with you. As a baker, one of my favorite ingredients to always have on hand is bananas. They're a low-cost, yummy, subtle flavor to bring into our baking practice, especially at this altitude. I found it helps tremendously with keeping breads and cakes moist and away from drying out. As you can see, I have more on deck at all times. As ingredients are becoming less available in the stores right now, don't worry, there are several alternatives we can rely on. Recently, I noticed there was no sugar or flour on the shelves. This recipe has no added sugar. We're using maple syrup today as our sweetener, and you can use almost any type of flour, all-purpose, almond, oat, or any other gluten-free option as well. So I'm excited to have you here with me today baking. Let's get started. To get started, we need to get our mise en place together. This means everything in its place. So we measure out all of our ingredients to have them ready to go. This will make it super easy for us. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is read over our recipe. This will keep us organized and make sure we don't miss any steps today. Next, we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Now we're gonna combine all of our dry ingredients. So first I'm gonna do my flour, which I've made my own oat flour by grinding up oats in a Vitamix. I'm doing 1.5 cups of oat flour with 1/2 cup of oats just to give it a little bit of texture. Then we're gonna add our baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. And we're just gonna mix that up. All right, once that's all together, we can start with our wet ingredients. So we're gonna combine our mashed bananas, our maple syrup, which is our sweetener today. You can also use honey if you have some on hand. Applesauce. Eggs, which I'm just gonna whip up a little before I add. And our melted butter, which has been cooled so that it doesn't cook our eggs. Or you can use coconut oil if you want a dairy-free version today. And our vanilla extract. So we're gonna mix all that up. All right, see, so easy, we're almost done. Now I'm gonna add the wet into my dry. And I'm gonna mix this up, don't over mix it. Just mix it until it's fully incorporated. Now's when you get to have a bit of fun with it. So you can add some nuts, chocolate, berries, whatever you're craving. Today I'm gonna add chocolate chips and some frozen raspberries. And we're gonna fold those in. Once you have that folded in, we're gonna portion these into our pre-greased muffin pan, pop it in the oven, set a timer for 18 minutes, and we'll check it then. All right guys, so since I added a bit of extra raspberries to my batch today, they were done at about 22 minutes. I'll let them rest in the pan for a bit, now we're ready to check them out. What's even better than how these look is how my kitchen smells right now. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you this summer.